With the insulation wrapped up in the garage workshop last week, we can turn to installing the drywall this week. Welcome to week 212. With all the insulation wrapped up last week, I can start hanging drywall on the studs. I get right to it on Wednesday and knock out 75% of the north wall. On Friday, I'm continuing with the workshop drywall, first cutting holes for all the gang boxes it will need to clear. I end the night by finishing the detail drywall on the west wall by the garage door. On Saturday, I continue with the drywall on the south and east walls. It's always nice to see the months of hard work coming together into a mechanically cohesive room with plumbing, electricals, and HVAC infrastructure. On Monday, I finished the remaining garage drywalling, which amounts to small strips along the base of the room. With any luck, I can start mudding the room next week. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.